Here are favorite Amazon finds you didn't think you needed. If your cart isn't full after this, are you even watching? Subscribe and ring that notification bell for more favorites.
These heavy metal planter boxes with tall slatted trellises offer the perfect edge to a patio, provide just the right amount of filtered light and shade, and create a privacy screen where needed. Available in different sizes, designs, and colors.
This is the multi-grip trowel by Roam Wild. It has 3 different holding positions, including this one that allows for optimal forearm support, great for those with reduced strength, wrist pain, or even hypermobility. I absolutely love it. Bonus is you can add an easy grip to the vertical handle to make it possible for those without any active grip to use it.
Check out the viral collapsible rain barrel by Vevor. It's finally back in stock. Vevor provides 2 barrel sizes, a 55-gallon and a 100-gallon at an affordable price compared to other companies. Setting it up is a breeze since it's lightweight and easy to store. It features 2 water spigots, one with a hose attachment for added convenience. It includes a top filter mesh to keep water clean by filtering out debris, and the best part is there's an overflow valve that can be connected to another Vevor barrel to be able to store even more water. You need this item if you're a gardener, farmer, lawn care enthusiast, worried about a drought, and of course, this is a #1 item for preppers for an emergency preparedness. You might want to hurry and click the link below before it's sold out again.
One of my favorite things to use in the garden, because I do not have a fancy irrigation system and a lot of times I cannot water on a daily basis, these terracotta watering spikes work so wonderfully. You just want to soak them in water and then you're going to fill an old wine bottle with water and then stick it right in there. It works great for garden beds and planters as well, and they are so efficient and very functional. And they give your plants the perfect amount of water.
Check this out.
Okay.
Grandpa's weeder is far superior than my husband's hoe. Spring is here, and you know what that means. The yard is full of weeds. Line this thing up, press it down, and it pulls the weed out all the way from the roots. These ones are the hardest to get out because they're right in the middle of the grass.
Thank you so much for watching. All the product links are in the description. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you never miss another viral Amazon favorite.